Alright, today we're going to show you something very simple. We're going to show you how to use a custom task funnel to submit a task to your virtual assistant. Task funnels are some of the easiest ways that you can submit tasks to your virtual assistant, and you can get them customized for almost any kind of task that's out there. So let's show you how this works. It's really simple. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to drop a task in for one of my assistants, Mr. Mark Diola. There's this guy right here. So to get a task in there is simple. I just come to his page here where I have a form set up for him. It drops it right into his task funnel. Just going to click start. We're going to call this task Data Mine California Doctors. He's going to be gathering some information for a outbound marketing campaign we have coming up here. Please. Alright, so this one's pretty straightforward. We're going to data mine California doctors into our lead database with the following information: names, URL, phone number, email address. Contact me with any questions. Shoot for 2,000 leads. This one, we could book it in the future if we don't want this task to come up for a little bit, or we can do it for right now. I want it to start right now. And we don't need any additional file uploads or anything like that. This is a pretty straightforward task. He's just going to use Google to go online and scrape some information for us. And we're done. Alright, so we've dropped that task in for Mark, and that's really as easy as it is. It's not a very hard system at all. Virtual assistants can be very user-friendly.